In this video, you are going to see how to group text and image in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let us insert a picture from my computer. Click on Insert, then the image will be inserted. Click on the image, go to Wrap Text, make it in front of text. Now you can move it freely. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here like this. And let us add some text here. If you want to remove the border and the fill color of the text box, click on the text box, go to Shape Fill, make it no fill. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Now if you want to group it, click on the border of the text box and hold down the Ctrl key from your keyboard and select the image. Now click on right button, go to group and make it group. There is another way. Press Ctrl Z. Let us go to home, go to select, go to selection pane. Select the text box over here and hold down the Ctrl key and select the picture. Now click on right button of the picture, go to group and make it group. Now you can move it freely. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.